Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be seeing what is the difference between job analysis and job evaluation. So first I have given a very basic definition. So I'm not going to read the definition, as you can read from here. So job analysis and job evaluation, why these concepts are important? Because in as a human resource manager or in human resource management, before deciding what is the salary that has to be paid for a job, we all must understand what the job involves. That is your job analysis, and how important the job is, that is job evaluation. So basically we could say that these two concepts are the foundation of scientific wage and salary administration. So your job analysis tells us what the job is actually, and job evaluation, as the name suggests, tells us how valuable the job is. Okay, so based on this definition you can understand that job analysis is the systematic study of job. See, basically just understand from the word analysis of job. Okay, like what tasks are performed and how they are performed, what are the skills that are required to perform this job, and under what condition the job is done. Okay, so all these things will be mentioned in job analysis. Now, what are the output of job analysis? So, job analysis has two main output, that is your job description and job specification. So, in job description, again, description of the job, that is your job title. It will have the rules and responsibilities and who are the relationship of the reporting authorities, working conditions. Job specification, it will include what are the qualifications or skills that are expected, skills, experience expected from the candidates, and the education qualification that is required, physical and mental abilities. All these things will be mentioned in the job specification. Okay, now if you want I can do a detailed video of what is job analysis, all these things. Okay, maybe in the next upcoming videos. Now, what are the objectives of job analysis? Now, like I've given here, recruitment, training and development, your performance appraisal, job design, compensation planning, all these are the objectives of job analysis. Now, I just want to give a small example. Suppose in a bank, okay, we are saying that job analysis of a teller. What is a job analysis of a teller? So, you could say that maybe in the description, suppose for South Indian Bank or any other federal bank, it will be mentioned as handling customer transactions and updating any kind of accounts, and maybe the required minimum qualification is BCom, and the skills required are you should have Excel knowledge, computer knowledge, and good communication skills. These are all the job analysis, example of job analysis. Okay, now I hope it is clear, because this is very simple. If you understand from the basic concept, it is very simple. Now, what is job evaluation? Again, I have given a definition. See, from exam point of view, these definitions are very important, but I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to explain it. So, job evaluation means it is the systematic process that based on which we are ranking the job. So, based on what? According to the skills required, the responsibility of the job, the effort that requires to complete the job, working conditions. Now, why we do all this job evaluation? Because ultimately we are going to a work or to a job to get salary, right? So this job evaluation, it helps to determine that fair wages are being fixed. So basically job evaluation, it does not evaluate people, but it evaluates the job. So what are the objectives of job evaluation? That is, they establish that fair wage structure has been created and any kind of wage inequalities will be removed, and there is a kind of equity in the internal pay, and also it helps in promotion transfer, and it tries to avoid any kind of dispute related to wages. Now there are some methods in which job evaluation are being done. So there are basically main two methods, non-analytic method and analytical method. And in your non-analytical method, you have ranking, job classification. In your analytical method, you have your point factor method and factor comparison method. Now these methods of evaluation also, I'll definitely create a separate video, dedicated video for this particular topic in my upcoming video. So now I just want to give a small example of job evaluation. That is, suppose in a manufacturing company, okay, there is a job of supervisor. Now we could say that a job of a supervisor require high skill and the responsibility is also very high. So based on that, we can rank that since it has high responsibility and high skill is required, we can rank him as high pay. That is, for this post, high pay can be given. Next, there is a role of technician in a manufacturing company, and the skill and responsibility that is required is medium. Okay, so then we could rank that particular job as medium pay. And now there is a helper or any kind of contract worker, and the skill that is required is very, very low, and the responsibility that is required is also very, very low. So we can rank for that particular post, we will give low pay. Now, is there any relationship between job analysis and job evaluation? We could say that job analysis is the first step, okay, and job evaluation comes after the analysis of the job. Now, if job analysis is not being done, job evaluation cannot be done properly. Now, I just want to give some practical example, like in an suppose in an IT company. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to, like I said, without job analysis, job evaluation cannot be done. So first step is you have to do job analysis. And the HR of that company, they studies like, so what are the duties of let's say software developer, and what are the coding skills that are required, what are the working hours, and who will report to whom, and who will be the team lead, and whether it is, working hours also include work from home, flexible work timings, all these things. Now based on this, they create job description and job specification. Now for the second step, that is your job evaluation, what they will do, they will compare this software developer, okay, and the job of tester and project manager. So they will compare all these roles, and based on that, they will reach to a conclusion that project manager role has higher responsibility, so we will give him higher, so not him, sorry, we will give the post higher pay. Okay, so based on this, they decide the salary band. So this is what job analysis is basically about. Anything else, like what are the importance of job analysis? Like, it helps in a kind of scientific recruitment, right person for the right job, it helps to decide that. And any kind of training needs identification, performance standards, all this will be helpful if you do a correct job analysis. Similarly, if you are doing job evaluation correctly, it will help to create a fair pay wage system, and any kind of wage dispute it will try to avoid, and equal pay for equal work. Also, if you do job evaluation correctly, you will basically help the no you will be you will comply all the legal requirements that is required, like your Equal Remuneration Act and Code on Wages and all that. Okay, so I hope the confusion between job analysis and job evaluation is clear. So if I have to say that job evaluation evaluate employees, please pause this video and comment in the description. The answer is no, it only evaluates job, it does not evaluate employees. Okay, job evaluation. Now, can job evaluation be done without job analysis? That is also not possible. Then, is job analysis directly related to salary? We could say it is indirectly related to salary. And is job evaluation related to salary? Yes, it is directly related to salary. So I hope it is clear. So with this, I am winding up the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you want me to discuss any other topic with examples and all, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.